Question number 1. Two particles P and Q of mass m and 2m respectively are moving in the same direction along the same straight line when they collide directly. Immediately before they collide, P is moving with speed 4u and Q is moving with speed u. Immediately after they collide, both the particles are moving in the same direction and the speed of Q is 4 times the speed of P. Okay, so first of all, to make this simple, so let us draw the diagram first. So the mass of P is m and the mass of Q is 2m. Both of them were moving in the same direction, so let us consider they were moving in right direction. So our u1 will be 4u and u2 will be u meter per second. After the collision, they were also moving in the same direction, so they were moving in the right direction, and it was stated that the speed of Q is 4 times the speed of P. So if V1 is equal to V, then V2 will be 4V. Okay. Now, find the speed of Q immediately after the collision. So we need to find the speed of Q after the collision, so we need to use the equation of m1 u1 plus m2 u2 equals m1 v1 plus m2 v2. So now we need to just put the values of m1 u1 plus m2 u2 to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Okay, so if we take m common from all over the equation, it will be 4u plus 2u equals m v plus 8v. So we can cross out the m, so 6u equals 9v. So our v will be equal to 6 by 9u, which is equivalent to 2 by 3 u meter per second. But we are actually asked for the speed of Q, so the speed of Q is 4v, which is equal to 2 by 3u into 4, so which is 8 by 3u meter per second. Okay. Question B. Find the magnitude of the impulse exerted by Q on P. So our P is actually receiving the impulse. So if we consider P, then the direction of the impulse received by the P is on the left side, so our impulse will be negative. Okay, so minus I equals m v minus u. Doing this, you will get a positive impulse. Okay, so m is m, our v is v, whose value is equal to 2 by 3u minus u was 4u. Okay, so this will give us minus I equals minus 10 by 3 mu. So minus minus gets cancelled, so our impulse is equals 10/3 mu Newton second. Next, number C, state clearly the direction of this impulse. Okay, so P is receiving impulse, as according to our diagram we can see that P is receiving impulse towards left, okay, in the direction of left side. So the impulse direction is towards left side, okay.